Hey guys, back with another video. Today's video, I'll be showing you how to replace the idle air control valve on a Honda Rancher 420 from years 2007 to 2013. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to remove a 5/16 bolt and an insert washer type thing off the coil pack and this plastic piece that bolts straight to the airbox. So you'll get that out of the way. Second thing you're going to do is you're going to need a Torx security bit to remove the brackets that hold that. And what this valve does is it controls your idle air control valve, and it's also called a IACV. So but anyways, so you'll need to remove that, unplug the sensor, and I'll get back to you when I'm pulling this out right here out. So after you pull your old one out, which would look like this, I guess, don't forget the O-ring, because it does come with new O-ring. You'll set that one right in place. It does fall right in there relatively easy, and then just bolt everything, screw everything back in gently, and I'll get back to you when I do that. And right after you insert that, make sure this bracket lines up with that notch right there. Snug everything up. I put some dielectric grease on the connection, and then you're going to want to fire this thing up, and I'll get back to you when I start it up. Alright guys, so here's the cold start with the idle air control valve. Thank you for watching, and if it helped you, leave a thumbs up. And that's exactly how you replace an idle air control valve on a Honda Rancher 420, and it's very similar with all other models too, such as the Rincon, Rubicon, and Foreman. So thank you for watching, and smash that like button.